Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming fit and environment. Verify the Woolino size and set room temperature to 1620 degrees C so the fabric regulates properly. Once done, lay the sack flat and open the zipper fully. This makes sliding easier and prevents twisting. You should support the baby's head with one hand while guiding feet into the foot pocket, then slide shoulders into arm openings. Make sure seams align with shoulders for comfortable movement. This reduces gaps that cause draft. After the sack is on, you zip up smoothly to the recommended stop, mid-chest or the neck guard, taking care not to catch skin or clothing. This protects delicate areas. Next, fasten any inner snaps or shoulder buttons to tailor the torso fit so the sack stays in place without constricting. Make sure hips and knees can bend naturally and that the sack allows the recommended hip-healthy posture. This prevents overheating and supports safe leg movement during sleep. You finish with a quick safety and comfort check. Slide 2 fingers under the collar area at neck and upper chest to gauge temperature. Slightly warm indicates correct insulation. If baby feels too warm or cool, make adjustments. Change to lighter or heavier Woolino weight, alter bedding layers, or tweak room temperature. If the zipper sticks or snaps fail, stop using it until repaired. A faulty closure compromises safety. This single troubleshooting tip: fix hardware issues before reuse, keep sleep safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.